What's up guys, welcome to this video. This is Ice Cream 2. Today we're gonna play in Ghost mode. Now let's just get started. The week has been rough. Okay, Ice Cream 2. Jay and Charlie. Okay, Jay, Charlie, Mike, and Liz. Okay, Jay's drawing a sketch. Why is Jay sketching drawing? Okay. Wait. What? That is in Tetris font. We won't actually need the. We don't actually need. Let's just see what's inside here.
Don't play with me! Give me the ice cream!
Okay.
Hi, Jay! Are you coming to play?
Yes, we're coming.
The boys are in the secret lair.
Yes, secret lairs in
My brother has told me he has something to tell me. Well, it sure is silly. Well, you know what?
Get in here, come out faster. Oh god. So Rod has dropped the window. Okay, let's just come down. And yes. This is a ghost mode. So let's just get started. We don't need the slingshot. And let's just start go to circus. Yes, circus. Circus, circus. Circus, circus. Oh my god. Rod is crying.
Why I'm so different from others?
Because you're fat. No offense.
Actually, I don't need so much to be so.
You ate your father's ice cream. You didn't hear what your father said. That's why you're crying now.
I recently tried some of my father's special ice cream, but why am I so different? I don't want to be like that.
You kids, this is why Rod has been crying and he has been angry, kidnapping kids, and this is you're the reason. Okay, let's just see why we're putting our hand in the bed. Nothing interesting. Let's just look. Nothing interesting. We need to search everywhere. Let's just see what is in here. Special pass, okay. Let's just go into the dungeon comics. Hi Jay, welcome back to the secret lair. We don't need the paintball gun, so yes. Okay. Let's talk to Mike.
What's up, Jay?
What's up, Jay?
I have a rare piece that I found out there.
Okay.
Surely you know what to do with
Okay.
it. If you bring me something pretty, I'll give it to you.
We need the doorknob, so let's just go and let's find a hanger. We need to first let's go and let's find some cat food. Some cat food. I hate cats because cats are I'm allergic to cats. Cat food, yes, cat food. Now let's just go back. Okay. Let's
Jay,
go back
help
to
me
the
out of
cemetery.
here.
Let's go. Cemetery. Luckily, Rod is not gonna see us, so we are safe throughout. Okay, the cat is coming. We caught the cat. Now let's go to the cinema. There we're gonna get the Allen wrench and the other things. Yes, let's just go.
I'm going to camp kids today.
Let's open the door. Rod is not going to see us, so we're completely safe. Oh my, looks cracked. Now let's go. We have to put somewhere good. Analog alarm.
Jake, help me out of here, please.
We don't have anything, so let's just see. We have to open everybody's stuff. I don't want to get arrested for stealing. Toolbox. Allen wrench. Yes. We have to keep it somewhere safe, somewhere good, and then we need to find a, like what we say, that thing, the perfume. Oh yes, perfume. Cool. Rod is like, anybody watching?
Jake, help me out of here, please.
Okay.
Is
There
anybody
you go.
looking?
Let's just wait. Let's go. Let's just go now to the circus. Yes, circus. Akbar and Lada. Kira. Okay, let's just go here.
Super cool. Sure. I could do something
Okay,
with this.
doorknob done. We got the outer doorknob. And let's just keep it somewhere safe. Let's just see, is there anything here? We have to go and keep it somewhere. Okay, I'll tell you. Go this side. You'll see McCroy's death, and you have to keep the Allen wrench. So yes, that is what we're gonna do, and we're almost gonna beat the game. Oh shit.
Is anybody watching?
We have to go there, and here there's this thing, this stairs. Go into somebody's house, and this is actually the security guard's house. There's a gas and all those stuff. Hanger. Yes. So just you have to go, and we have to just go up, and yes, there's a cable. Okay, done. We're in a hidden place. Go. Click this cage. Push it. Okay, there's a gate. Go into the sewers. Okay, there's a gate somewhere here. This is the gate. Yes. This is the creepy part. Okay, somebody's coughing. And guys, I want to tell you something. Whenever somebody's coughing, put your mask on, because you know it's COVID-19 now. Okay, doors locked from inside, locked. Open the doors, open. Okay, the Allen wrench. Close the door. Okay, and then we're gonna go down again. Okay, let's just see. Okay. Okay. Screw this. And do this. And just go up. And we're gonna take the gas canister. These gas canisters are like, bro, like they are like.
Jake, help me out of here, please.
Otherwise we will be Okay, let's go to the stall. We're almost going to beat the game. So yes. Okay. Now let's. Rod is not watching this. Thank God. Rod is not watching this. Go to the door. Open toolbox.
Anybody looking? Is anybody watching? I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump puppy ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Pliers, okay? I know that there's something here. Yes, you need to go here. Wait, let's just take the pliers. Okay. There's somewhere. Yes, here's the box. I got it.
I'm looking for the chump puppy ones.
Candles, yes, we need the candles. We don't need pliers.
What will the ice cream maker
Okay,
want
let's
from
just
me?
see. Go to the cemetery. Yes. We're almost. We're like. Okay, Rod is
Oh, why are you crying, little boy?
You know why.
Yes, it's true. You and
This
I
is
are
future
the
Rod,
same.
this is small Rod.
That's right. The case is, I see you sitting there,
He's
so
small, yes, he's so small.
so
And he's so big.
helpless. Sometimes I forget that I was like that.
Yes, you have to remember
Here it is.
the insults,
Small Rod
the
crying.
beatings, and all those dirty
Fatty, 2x4, come through the kitchen door.
Loser.
Get out of my way, shut it, Blobby. Hit the cow.
Rod
Get
is
a
like
bit one.
so
Anger.
anger.
I'll go.
I associate.
I hate them.
I hate them. I hate them. I hate them.
No. Now, be patient.
He's
Dedicate
saving.
yourself
He's saying,
to work hard
oh,
and
is
save
that
as much money as you
as
can
much
and get out of
money
that
as you
school
can.
from hell. It's doing
Get
you
out
no
of
good.
that school from hell.
Do not come down. Eventually, you will get ahead. I promise.
I asked my father for help.
No, he will not listen
No,
to you.
he will not listen to
He
you.
hides many secrets
Yeah,
that you will
messing
have
with
to
that
discover later.
discover
Listen,
later.
You
You'll
will
see.
become an ice cream maker
You'll
as good as
become-
him. Mark my words.
My words, son.
You will discover how to take revenge on them all.
Okay, his heart is becoming evil.
Oh,
Oh my.
unexpected help will come to you. A letter from your mother in
Okay.
which she will finally tell
She'll
you
finally tell you something
So
important.
pay attention, kid. You're gonna
Okay,
be just
attention.
fine.
It'll be just. This is when he becomes evil. Yes. Cemetery. Yes, where's Joseph? Joseph. Okay. Where's Rod? We need Rod to come here. This is somebody. Where's Rod? You just wait. Where's Rod first? We haven't found Rod. We don't. We need to find Rod first.
Oh, my plan is going perfectly.
Rod. Go, there's your father's graveyard. Go. Pay attention to it. Okay? Just pay attention. Kid. Okay? We're going here. We're going here. We're like 10% close, okay? Yes, 10% close, okay? Okay, now let's just see, where's the door? Yeah, there's the door. Okay, yes.
Is anybody
Yes.
looking?
Okay, first let's go. We have the analog
What will the
alarm
ice cream
clock.
maker want from me?
Drop it. For a small gas canister. Small gas canister. Yes. 1 by 3 necessary items. The second item is this. And third one is the matchbox.
Jake,
And
help me out of here.
yes.
Is anybody watching?
Now let's hold the doorknob with us. So yes, we're gonna just take the doorknob.
I'm going to kill some kids today.
Roddy's like
I'm looking
very
for the chump puppy ones.
like okay,
Going
bomb.
to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream.
Meow meow meow. Then it's gonna like die. There's a new thing. Okay.
Is anybody watching?
Okay, let's just go. Okay. Okay,
Jake,
let's
help
just go.
me out of
To
here.
the neighbor. Yes. Okay, we have opened this cage. Okay. Okay, some mechanics are for the
I jump with the
of
man ready.
Jake
I
Fraud.
want
That's why this is like not gonna jump. But in Ice Cream 3 we're gonna find out where she is. Okay. Mike.
Charlie, that's Liz, your sister.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it's her. How did it in there? I
That
don't
is
understand what happened.
Wait! Liz! Hey! Screw this.
Okay, what's up, Liz? I love you from the first day I saw you. I hope you feel the same. Do you know me? Yes or no, Mike? Oh God. Yes, we beat the game. Yeah, we beat the game. Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Bye.